Drones are rapidly becoming an important tool in the construction industry, helping professionals to work faster, safer, and more efficiently. Use cases of drones are increasing every day. However, we can put these use cases into three groups according to the construction timeline. Land surveys before construction are a fundamental stage of every construction project. Land surveying solutions made possible by drones enable a more economically advantageous and faster land or building site survey. The main use cases of drones in the construction industry occur during the building steps. Drones are found very useful during the building stages of a project. For example, real-time as-built models are a very distinct piece of information drones can produce. By using drones, engineers, construction managers, and construction workers can automate some of the riskiest and most time-consuming tasks. Drones are useful even after construction. From facility management and maintenance to high-risk tasks like demolition management and disaster management, drones can increase speed, reduce cost and risks, and help make informed decisions. Using drones in construction offers many benefits. They can help save time, accurately map terrain, monitor progress, and identify safety hazards. This saves time and money while increasing efficiency and safety. Controlling projects from remote locations is a luxury that drones offer construction managers. However, there are limitations to the use of drones in construction. Cost is a major factor, as drones and their associated software can be expensive. Weather conditions can also limit their use, as wind and rain can make it difficult to fly safely. Regulations must also be considered, as laws around drone use can vary depending on the location and purpose of the flight. Despite these limitations, the use of drones in construction is increasing rapidly, and they are quickly becoming essential tools for professionals in the industry.